Yo. Hey y'all, this is BG Codes and I am bradgarropy, and it's been a while since I've done this shit, so let's go. Just trying to figure out what's going in my streaming software. Okay. Alright, things look like they're working. I'm just gonna make sure everything is good on the YouTube front. Like if I go to my channel and see. Am I live? Yeah, I'm live. Okay, sweet. That was a lot of setup. Yeah, and actually one more time. I just want to go here. Sure. View my channel, go live. How's the audio? Let me see. I'm going to mute my music locally. Yeah, okay. Music level sounds good. It's exactly what I'm hearing, and so that's what we're going to do. Okay. Welcome to the stream. It's been a while. Let me send out a link to this. I always forget how to do this shit, you know what I mean? We'll just go to youtube.com. I know you're not seeing my screen right now. Here, we can go to coding. There we go. Gosh, I remember how to do this. Go to my channel. Then I guess I need to tweet a link. Here. Copy. Awesome. And then I'm going to share this out in Discord. To my friends. Okay. Why am I streaming? The whole point of what I'm trying to do here is like build a remix app starter with authentication, with a database, with end-to-end testing, with unit testing. And then when all of that is like set, I can just like, you know, pump out apps. And that's the goal. So, hold on. So I was, yeah. What is this bitching about? Warning, the stream's bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. Okay. I don't know what to do with that. I'll fix it later. Does it look bad if you're watching? Does it look bad? Okay. So the whole point of what I'm doing, why I'm streaming, what I'm building, is I'm building the Remix app starter. And I just want to take you through it. And as I'm finding interesting things to talk about, I'm going to stop. I'm going to make YouTube videos about them. But I have it to publish, it to talk about. I need to do something outside of work right now. Okay. Okay. So where were we? We were implementing like passwords and shit. And so we had this remix action. Oh yeah, we had just set up Prisma with SQLite. And so we have Prisma writing to the SQLite database on sign up, which is awesome. And so what I was going to do is, yes, I was going to figure out encryption. So this is one of those things I always forget. It's bcrypt or bcrypt.js, and I never know which one. It looks like bcrypt, the orange one, bcrypt.js is the better option, or at least the more popular one. Let's see. And also working in browsers. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to do this in browsers. That seems weird. Oh, this does all the Node.js stuff though, which is like, fuck that. Pain in the butt. Okay. Let's use bcrypt.js. npm I bcrypt.js. Let's get that done. Okay, we've got bcrypt.js. So we want to be hashing these passwords. You don't want to be storing plain text passwords. And I know you'll see some passwords from me. It's just a default password I use everywhere. I have since changed every single one of my passwords, so don't even think about using it anywhere. Literally, I went through and changed hundreds of passwords in Apple Passwords recently, and they're all secure now. Type? No. bcrypt.js. Use the How come we don't have Awesome. No types for this. Sick. There. Now we have types. Okay, so okay, so first we need a gen salt, then we need to hash. Or await gen salt 10, it defaults to 10. Const hash password, perfect. Okay. And then what? Now we need to save the email and the hashed password. Perfect. So now as we save things to the database, we won't be saving the real password. Here we got to do something like if password doesn't equal password confirmation, we need to like throw some error. I don't know. Passwords do not match. For now, I'm not sure that's what we're going to do. Okay, let's see if this is going to work. We've got our Prisma Studio up and running. Oh, awesome. bcrypt is a common JS module. Lame. Okay. So I've got my Prisma up. Pull that up over here. And I've got the site running. Okay, so let's go to sign up. We've got a user. We'll save one change. Okay. So here we go. Let's put in my email. We'll put in a junk password. I literally typed in password and I hit sign up. Okay, some stuff happened, right? Good. It created an ID for me with a hashed password. That's awesome. That's perfect. So now, if we look in this database, right, meow, here, refresh. How do I hit refresh? There it is. Unfortunate that it's at ID number 2. I would love to have that one be like ID number 1. That's fine. So now we're at a spot where we can kind of work on like the login. And again, this is not like, I'm not doing any error handling. I'm not sending anything back to the client. I'm just trying to get this shit stored in the database. So now on sign in, we need to make an action. We're going to get the form data. We're going to stringify both of these. Again, I'm not doing validation with Zod or anything yet. I will get there. And so now in this one, we need to decrypt. No. Compare. With the string and the hash, right? String and the hash. So the string is the password and the hash is, first we need to get the user. And I never know. Find first. Find unique. Find 0 or 1 user that matches the filter. Sure, find unique where email is email. And so now user can be or null. So Copilot is writing this all for us. This is great. So if no user not found, we're going to have to go back, return, do something. If we have this, we want to compare this with user.password. Why is this? Oh, because we're not like returning. I don't know. We'll just throw new error, user not found. That's fine. Same with sign up. Let's just like throw some error. And then user doesn't have to have this. We know it's there. And what is the output of this? Boolean? How do you name this? Like, is password match? And so if it is, right. Then if it is, we can redirect them to let's say something like, yeah, they signed in. Okay. That looks good. We have me in there. And so now we're going to go to sign in and we're going to go my email and we'll just put in the password. And it looks like it worked. User signed in. Okay, so what happens if it doesn't work? What happens if we put in a bad password? Sick. This is my error boundary happening. That's great. I suppose, like, we would throw a response, unauthenticated, whatever that is. Um, but this is totally fine for now. I love it. Okay. Okay. And one of the things I wanted to mess with was here, let's commit some of this stuff. I feel like we should not be committing this database to source control. That's just specifically Prisma FTP. Okay, so this is install Prisma, configure scripts. Instantiate database client. This is ignore SQLite database. This is our first migration. ID, email, password. This is fine for now. Okay, define Prisma schema. Create tables. Okay, and now this is where we actually do the work. So here this is our sign in. Let's do sign up first. So sign up, we pulled the stuff out of the forum data, we made sure that the passwords match, and we went from there. Cool. I'll just say like implement sign up. And sign in. We're throwing our errors. That's good. Okay, now, one of the things I wanted to... well, here, let's stop this. Okay, push everything. One of the things I wanted to experiment with was I heard that Node.js has the equivalent of decrypt, and I think it's in the crypto module, which is like all the new good stuff is in the crypto module, like generating UUIDs. And I also think that they now have where is it? Thing called like scrypt. S script. Yeah. Okay, so like how do you unencode it? How do you unhash it, right? I want to remove the bcrypt if possible. Node scrypt compare. Okay. This is what I wanted to build, like an scrypt. Package. Oh, you make your own salt. Uh-huh. Verify. So they're splitting the hash. Look at the salt and the key. That kind of sucks. I wonder if there's like a package for this. Twenty Milskis. It's a lot. I just don't know if I can trust it, right? Yeah, dude, it doesn't look easy enough. But bcrypt all day. Alright, so bcrypt it is. I mean, so you can do this. And where was that safe equals thing? Let's try to find it. People were saying that's how you compare. Timing safe equals. What does that mean? Heck if I know. How did they use this again? So you take the hash, you split it into salt and key. There's a derived key. Huh. Is it worth doing? Maybe. Or we can just stick with bcrypt, which I feel like is still the best. npm trends. We have bcrypt, bcrypt, JS. Script. Yeah, not even close. Okay. We're gonna stick with bcrypt. Okay, so we've done like the database portion of the sign up, sign in. What we haven't really done is like making the cookie and storing that and doing all that jazz. This is a part that I'm always super fuzzy on. And I think there's some things called like remix auth that are out there. Set cookie, await session storage, commit session. Like every time I get here and I'm like, I don't remember what the hell session storage is. Let's check their remix docs. Maybe there's something there. The indie stack could be good. How does the indie stack do this? Okay, apps. Where's their like sign up? Join. There it is. Too small for my old eyes to see. Okay, so form data, email, password, redirect to, okay. We got to check that case too. Create user session. Coming from session.server. Get the session. You set the user session key. Okay. You commit session. Oh, that's cool. I like the remember me feature. Okay. Then I think the magic happens in this get session, which cookie session storage.get session cookie. Okay. Still have no idea what it is. Okay, so pulling off of session storage, you've got... I mean, honestly, this looks like exactly what we need. Let's be real though, so these utils, this Prisma util, this is server only, so let's rename this to server TS. And I'm not calling connect, which is weird. Do I have to? I don't know. Okay, so it looks like we need one of those files. Session.server.ts. And yeah, I think the first thing we need to do is create session storage. Is this used anywhere? No. No, only that one file, which is weird that they're exporting it then. Okay, so options. Cookie. wonder if MDN has something to say about this. Oh, this stores it in the browser. Okay, sweet. That makes sense. Okay, name. I mean, I guess we can do whatever we want, but that's fine. Definitely H only. Path. I want more descriptions on this. Find the scope of the cookie. So path is everywhere. Okay. Okay, now what do these values mean? Lax, none, or strict? Strict causes the browser to only send the cookie in response to requests originating from the origin. Okay. Lax is similar, except the browser also sends the cookie when the user navigates to the cookie's origin site, even if they're coming from a different site. Okay. So secrets and secure. HTTPS. Okay, makes sense. Commit, destroy, git. Okay, so we probably need like a create session. Only used in one place. That makes sense. And I'm going to type this out myself because honestly, it's a better learning experience. So, const create session is going to equal, some function. And in here, the main thing is going to be session storage dot commit session. Which takes a session and some options. Oh, then we need a git session then, don't we? Yeah. So how do we get a session? We grab the cookie. and then we get it out of there. Okay. No, no, it's not just that. It doesn't take a request, right? Takes the cookie header. Uh-huh. Be anything. What does this take? A string or null. Yeah, a string or null. Okay. Why does this have... Oh, it doesn't. Okay, it shouldn't. I'm gonna say, the type there is weird. Okay. Is this sync? Get session is probably async. Yeah, it is. Okay. And what does create session take? A couple things. First off, a request. I always forget this. What is the difference? Ooh, let's see. What is the difference between function arguments and parameters? So parameters are what we care about. Create session params, so type for that. And so far we've got request, request. That needs to be async. Okay, cool. In this case, it was just the user ID. That doesn't seem like enough, right? Like, if you have a protected route, where's the loader? They don't show it. Yeah, this is what I don't understand. I would love to see this deployed so I know where to look. It looks like though they have this already. I have to sign in. Cool. That's fine. Just show me the damn app. I want to see if they've got it. Like a place where the user is shown. You know, like a avatar that's right or something. Okay, it's running. We should have a preview up soon. Nice. Node bat engine. Classic. Don't know what version they're running on. Okay. Okay, I guess we're just gonna have to find it. Session.server logout. Nope. Routes logout. Routes notes. Here we go. We've got the user there. I got a user email. Oh, what's use user? Use user. It's in the root? Use matches data. Okay, so this is pulling it from the root loader. If the user is there, not to find or return user. Okay, so it's pulling it from the root loader. Use user is bringing it back. Okay, so where is this being used? User.email logout. Okay, so it's not, they're not getting it from the session, which is weird. I would have thought they would have pulled it, like the whole user object from the session. Sorry, and then how did the root do that again? From get user, from session. So they pull the user ID out of the session and then fetch the user. Interesting. They don't just store the relevant user information in the session. They make a database call. I mean, that's interesting. Like, I'm gonna turn the screen off real quick. Like, go to a BRB, or like go here while I check some websites to see like what is my user session look like. Yeah, it's hard to tell. You can't really see anything. Maybe I'll Google a little bit here, like remix what to put in user session. Oh, this is a good point. Always retrieve the user from the database to have the most up-to-date information. Okay, so based on what I'm reading, just the user ID. So we were in create session and we have a user ID. Oh, and I don't actually think that's a string. I'm pretty sure that's a number. Yeah. Okay. So you set that. And then you return the redirect? Create user session. Where is this being used? You just return create user session. Okay. I see, I see, I see. And that's the cookie. Session and then options. Most of those should be fine. So you're really only setting the max age. Based on remember. But really, in this scenario, I don't. I'll just put this down here as like a reference. Headers, set cookie to the cookie. Makes sense. Now, let's see if this actually works. Right now, if I go to storage, session storage, nothing of use. So I'm going to sign in. Oh, am I even calling it yet? No. So create session. So I need to go back to sign in the action. To create session in remix run node. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Okay, well, anyways. Sign in. Go to the dashboard. I'm not seeing any new session storage entries. What about cookies? Nope. Oh, I didn't call it still. I got sidetracked. Yeah, never. It's never going to actually do anything, quote unquote. Not going to return anything. Going to navigate. Boom, we have a session cookie. Right there. Okay. You know, I think, honestly, that's it. That's a good stopping point for tonight. We have logged in, saved our user to the database, and created a session cookie. Meaning now our root can pick up that session cookie, grab the user ID out of it, find the user, and, you know, do the thing. Sick. And it can't be messed with by JavaScript or by the browser because it's secure. Awesome. Okay. Thanks for watching the stream. This has been really, really, really good progress. And that's it. I'll see you on the next.